We know the necessity of a fare increase. However, ayan ho, binabalanse rin ho namin sa pangangailangan ng buong bansa. Dahil pag tinaasan ho namin yung presyo ng pamasahe po, malaki pong epekto nito sa ekonomiya at magtataasan ho halos lahat ng presyo. And for that ho, we recognize the necessity of a fare hike. But at the same time, we have to taper that also with the needs of the economy na pag ginawa namin at binigay namin yung hinihingi nilang fare hike, it would not send the economy into an inflation po na sobra-sobra hong taas at hindi yan ho, yung mga pamilya rin ho ng mga tsuper ang maghihirap ho pag tumaas ang presyo ng lahat ng bilihin. Mahirap hong balansehin. Naunawaan ho namin yan. So we understand we will consider the fare hike. However, give us a little time to determine how much and when would be the appropriate time to impose the fare hike. Ano bang magiging epekto nito? Pag bibigay kami ng piso, 2 piso, o 3 pisong fare hike sa ekonomiya dahil ho, lahat ng tao ngayon namamasahe. So what would it do? Would it trigger the prices of commodities in the market, which in the long run ho, affected din ho yung mga families ng mga driver. These are the things that we consider. And as to the timeline po, we will do this as fast as we can. However, what we cannot guarantee is the timeline when the NEDA would be giving us their studies. Kasi po yung aming pag-grant sa kanila ng fare hike would really depend on the recommendation of NEDA. Pag ganito ang fare hike, ano ba ang epekto? Ilang percentage ng inflation ang itataas? Lahat ho yan, binabalanse ho namin. So it would take, give and take, at least normally 30 days to 45 days po bago ho namin matugunan yan. Dahil after the initial hearing, magsusubmit na po kami sa NEDA ng aming kaukulang findings. Then we will ask them now to validate these findings and come up with a recommendation.